Bienvenido to Papiamentu ABC. Learning made easy. I'm Bert, and this is... anyway, that was Shannon. I'm sure she'll be back soon. I hope. In today's lesson, we're gonna get familial. Familiarize yourself with these familial words by repeating the lesson as often as you need to and practicing your pronunciation out loud. Family. Familia. 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 Family members. Miembro ng di familia. Miembro ng di familia. Miembro ng di familia. Child. You. You. Children. Yunang. 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 Daughter. Yumuhe. 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 Son. Yuhamber. 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 Grandson. Nieto. 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 Granddaughter. Nieta. 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 Adult. Adulto. 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 Parents. Mayor ng. Mayor ng. Mayor ng. Mother. Mama. 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 Father. Tata. 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 Sister. Rumang muhe. Rumang muhe. Rumang muhe. Brother. Rumang hamber. Rumang hamber. Rumang hamber. Siblings. Rumanang. 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 Grandparents. Welanang. 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 Grandfather. Tawela. 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 Grandmother. Wela. 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 Great grandmother. Bisabuela. 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 Great grandfather. Bisabuelo. 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 Niece. Sobrina. 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 Nephew. Sobrino. 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 Cousin. Female. Prima. 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 Cousin. Male. Primo. 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 Aunt. Tanta. 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 Uncle. Tío. 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 Father-in-law. Suegro. 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 Mother-in-law. Suegra. 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 Son-in-law. Nuero. 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 Daughter-in-law. Nuera. 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 Sister-in-law. Cuñá. 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 Brother-in-law. Sua. 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 Which is also just a cool way to say, what's up, dude? Condaswa. Stepmother. Mama di crianza. Mama di crianza. Mama di crianza. Stepfather. Tata di crianza. Tata di crianza. Tata di crianza. Stepbrother or stepsister. Rumang di crianza. Rumang di crianza. Rumang di crianza. Stepdaughter or stepson. Intena. 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 On the father's side, di parti di tata. Di parti di tata. Di parti di tata. On the mother's side, di parti di mama. Di parti di mama. Di parti di mama. That was it for this lesson. Thanks for learning with us and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next one. Passa dulce dia com a família. Have a lovely day with your family. I'm Bert, and this is... No, you're not supposed... No, I'm supposed to... This is... You're not here. Like, you're supposed to...
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Because I'm not in this one.
You're not in this
I'm
one.
so sorry.
That's okay.
As you were.
Yeah, thank you. You just messed up the joke.
Hi, Bert. That's it?
No, let's do it again. That was it for this lesson. Time to familiarize. I can't say the word, can I?
Familiarize.